Hello, welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How's it going? In today's episode, we are going to talk about a bad shopping experience. Have you ever spent money on something and thought, that was not worth it? Let's learn some useful sentences you can use to talk about situations like that. Ready? Let's go. Sentence 1. This store is a rip-off. This store is a rip-off. Rip, R-I-P. Rip, R-I-P. Dash, O-F-F. Off. The word rip-off is a noun. It means something is way too expensive in an unfair way. Example, I bought a bottle of water for $10. This store is a rip-off. I bought a bottle of water for $10. This store is a rip-off. Sentence 2. They ripped me off. They ripped me off. Now we are using rip as a verb. Ripped, R-I-P-P-E-D. Ripped, R-I-P-P-E-D. To rip someone off means someone charged you too much and you feel cheated. Example, I paid $5 just to use the toilet. They ripped me off. I paid $5 just to use the toilet. They ripped me off. In many European countries, you have to pay to pee. And here's something even more surprising. Women usually have to pay, but men often don't. Most restrooms for women cost money, but men can often use a free area just outside. Men just go free. No line, no fee, just pee and leave. That was a big culture shock for me when I first visited Europe. In Taiwan and Japan, it's easy to find clean and free public toilets everywhere. In Europe, not really. Sentence number 3. That place is shady. That place is shady. S-H-A-D-Y. Shady. S-H-A-D-Y. Shady means the place feels dishonest, unsafe, or suspicious. It's not just about money. It can also feel dangerous, sneaky, or just not right. Example, the shop didn't show prices, and the staff were rude. That place is shady. The shop didn't show prices, and the staff were rude. That place is shady. Let's review the sentences from today. Number 1. This store is a rip-off. The store is a rip-off. Number 2. They ripped me off. They ripped me off. Number 3. That place is shady. That place is shady. It's your turn. Can you think of a time when you felt ripped off? Try to describe it in English using one of today's sentences. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend and keep practicing. See you next time, and be careful when you shop.